this video, I will guide you on how to cast your Meta Quest 3s to your Sony Bravia TV. This is also going to work for your Meta Quest 3 as well. And it doesn't matter the type of Sony Bravia TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android or the Sony Bravia Google TV, just like mine over here. This tutorial will work perfectly fine for you. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that both your Sony Bravia TV and your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3 are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So on your Sony TV, you want to head over to the Wi-Fi or internet settings, usually at the top right corner of the TV. So navigate to the top and then navigate horizontally until you get to the settings or gear icon at the top of your Sony TV. Open up the settings and then you just want to scroll down to network and internet settings. Then make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. This over here is my home Wi-Fi network. And now you want to get your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3 and then make sure you power it on by simply pressing on the power button over here. Then proceed to connect it to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your Sony Bravia TV. If you do not know how to connect your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3 to Wi-Fi or hotspot network, what you want to do is to simply just go ahead and click on this quick settings menu over here on your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3. Select it to open up the quick menu and then you just want to select the Wi-Fi option over here and then select your Wi-Fi network and connect to it. It is that simple. Now, once you've been able to connect to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network, you want to close this menu and then just go ahead and open up this camera icon over here on your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3. If you cannot find it from over here, come over to the Meta library, open it up, and you're going to see the camera icon as one of the list of apps over here. Just select it and this is actually going to open up the camera settings. Now what you just want to do is to click on the cast option over here. Mine is currently being grayed out, particularly because I am recording, so I cannot record and cast at the same time. But simply what you want to do is to just click on the cast option and your Meta Quest 3s or your Meta Quest 3 will start to search for available devices it can actually connect to. You should be able to find the name of your Sony Bravia TV. Once it opens up, select the name of your Sony Bravia TV and you're good to go. In my case, I'll just stop the recording now and show you as everything will be displayed on my Sony Bravia TV. Okay, so I have just selected the name of my Sony Bravia Google TV. This should also work for your Sony Bravia Android TV as well. And as you can see, this is literally everything on my Meta Quest 3s displaying on my Sony Bravia TV. Keep in mind, if you're using the old Sony Bravia TV that is not the Sony Bravia Google TV like mine or the Sony Bravia Android TV, and this particular method does not work out for you, I've made a separate tutorial that will definitely work out for you and I'm going to be leaving a link to that video in the description of this video. But if this method worked out for you, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.